Koktisalo, the Institute of Engineers India Tripura branch Saktharmung by Palaijakha transport sal Pandawa Narwai Okra Ongwe Manjaka Hasini Transport Minister Susanto Sodrite Transport Department Commissioner Subroto Sodrino Khoboite Kobun Adongrok 10th November Engkha transport sal Koktisalo, the Institute of Engineers India Tripura branch ni Saktharmung by Palaijakha transport sal Pandawa Narwai Okra Ongwe Manjaka Hasini Transport Minister Susanto Sodrite Transport Department Commissioner Subroto Sodrino Khoboite Kobun Adongrok Pandawa Kok Shanani Thangai Minister Susanto Sodri Shaka Bishoburom no 10th November Shalmario World Transport Day Shal Palaijakma Haikeno Taklaibu Aboni Muksa Ferlai Nukzagliate Lai Thangnai Shalni Shalai Tabuk Transport ni Shamung Kusogo Kashamani Nukzakha Abono Karebo Shawi Khanaroka Tripura Hasjo Lai Thangnai Zorao Kaisase National Highway Fiaba Tabuk Hinke Kaidok National Highway Engkha Hanai.
This is a very technical subject, I suppose. And those people who are acquainted with engineering knowledge can only deliver their speech on this particular subject. But the theme this time, I think, set before us is connecting communities and reducing emissions, which is also very important and significant at this present juncture. And being a Minister of Transport of our government, I must emphasize upon the significant strides that our government, or as a whole, the state of Tripura has come across in the recent past. We all know that in a phased manner, the transportation system in the entire country, if you consider in a holistic manner, in the entire country, the transportation system have come up very significantly. We all remember when we were, in our childhood days, there were bullock carts, there were again transformation, then bicycle, motorbikes, motor vehicles. Now, this transportation system can be classified into various categories like road transportation, air transportation, waterways, and also rail transportation. So, in a broad spectrum, if we consider these 3-4 transportation system, we all know, and the changes that are visible in front of all of us when it comes to our state Tripura, as well as in a holistic manner our country India is concerned. And our government, under the stewardship of our respected Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, as well as when it comes to our state Tripura as a whole, under the visionary leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister Professor Dr. Manik Shah, we have come across to a great extent when it comes to the development of transportation in a holistic manner. In a phased manner, we had one national highways, that was NH44. Only one national highways. And now we have 6 national highways, which has been declared by Road Transport Ministry, Ministry of Road Transport, Government of India, and few more will be sanctioned very shortly. When it comes to rail transportation, earlier it was mere a dream to all of us. The Rajdhani Express is flying from Agartala to Delhi via Guwahati. It's a big achievement so far the rail transportation is concerned. Not only this Rajdhani Express, we have Kanchenjunga, we have Lokmanya Tilak Express, we have other railway services, Kisan Rail, Tejas, everything is been given to the state by our Honorable Prime Minister as well as our Government of India in our time. So, when it comes to air connectivity, every day 18 to 20 number of aircrafts, aeroplanes are touching our state as well as it is again taking off to connect with different states of our country. So it speaks in volume when it comes to our achievement in the spheres of transportation as a whole. So today's subject, I am not getting into the subject of today's program, that construction of water resistant roads in Tripura, challenges, opportunities and innovation. I think different keynote speakers are there who will participate and take part in the discussion. As a minister of our state, I must emphasize upon the significant strides and achievements that has been there under the leadership of our government as well as our leadership. So,
Abo Haikunu Montri Susanto Sodri Debu Shaka, Shukang Shilai Belaino Kosogo Kashazak, Rail by Tanglai Sho Klaimong, Abuni Logi Logi Belaino Kosogo, Shogwizak, Bir Kong by Tanglai Shuni Shep Shap Hanoi. Razakor Agoloni Shimi Pronap Shilnikok Tum Chini Khorang.